The ocean does not give up its secrets easily. For centuries, humanity stood on the shore, unaware of the alien worlds beneath the waves. But technology is finally catching up to our curiosity. Welcome back to the Drowned History. The year is 2025. It has been a watershed 12 months for marine exploration. Thanks to a new generation of autonomous deep-sea drones and AI-driven sonar, we have peered deeper into the blue oblivion than ever before. From ancient graveyards of wood and iron to creatures that defy biological logic, these are the 10 most mind-boggling deep-sea discoveries of 2025. Number 10. The Vulcan's Forge Vent Field. In February, an autonomous glider patrolling the remote Indian Ocean floor detected thermal anomalies off the scale. What it found was a hydrothermal city. Vulcan's Forge is the largest continuous vent field ever documented, stretching for nearly 3 miles. The heat here is intense enough to melt lead, yet it is teeming with life. Massive colonies of giant tube worms and armored snails thriving in toxic darkness, proving life can flourish in the most hellish environments on Earth. Number 9. The Mid-Atlantic Ghost Complex. For decades, we thought the Mid-Atlantic Ridge was just geology, but new low-frequency synthetic aperture sonar revealed something else. Lying at a depth of 3,000 meters are geometric patterns, what appear to be arranged stone formations hidden beneath millennia of sediment. Are they natural basalt fractures that just look man-made? Or are we looking at the drowned remnants of a coastal settlement from before the last great glacial melt? The debate is already raging. Number 8. The Chromatic Phantom Jelly. Discovered in the abyssal plains of the Pacific, this isn't just a new species, it's a biological marvel. Most deep-sea bioluminescence is blue or green. The chromatic phantom, however, can shift the color of its internal light display across the entire visible spectrum. Scientists believe this dazzling, hypnotic light show is used to stun prey in the absolute darkness of the Hadal zone. It is a living, swimming prism. Number 7. The Silent Fleet of the Euxine. The Black Sea's anoxic lair, where zero oxygen exists, is a time capsule. This summer, an archaeological expedition found not just one shipwreck, but a convoy. 5 Roman merchant vessels sitting upright, masts still standing, ropes still coiled. Because there are no wood-boring worms in this oxygen-starved water, they look as if they sank yesterday, tragically preserved for 2,000 years in the cold dark. We are halfway through our descent into the discoveries of 2025. If you're captivated by the mysteries of the deep, by lost ships and forgotten history, make sure you are subscribed to the Drowned History. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a dive into the unknown. Number 6. The Plastic Eaters of the Mariana. It's a sad truth that human trash reaches the deepest trenches, but nature adapts fast. In samples taken from the Mariana Trench this year, scientists discovered a new strain of piezophilic bacteria, microbes that love extreme pressure, that have evolved to metabolize certain polymers. They are literally eating the plastic pollution that sinks to the bottom of the world. It's a tiny glimmer of hope in a polluted ocean. Number 5. The Titanic's anatomy revealed. We thought we knew the Titanic. We were wrong. The 2025 Digital Twin expedition used swarms of microdrones to photograph every millimeter of the wreck in 8K resolution. The resulting 3D model revealed the exact catastrophic stress fractures in the hull plates that doomed her. It wasn't just a long gash, it was a series of brutal punctures and brittle fractures that we can now see with terrifying clarity. Number 4. The Abyssal Mortuary. Deep in the Gulf of Mexico, explorers found a massive new brine pool, a lake of super salty water sitting on the ocean floor. Nothing can survive entering this toxic jacuzzi. The discovery? The shoreline of this pool was lined with the preserved, pickled remains of deep-sea crabs, eels, and fish that ventured too close and were instantly embalmed by the brine, a literal underwater graveyard. Number 3. the ice shelf gardens. As Antarctic ice shelves retreat due to climate warming, they are revealing what was hidden underneath for millennia. Under the shadow of the breaking ice, ROVs discovered a thriving, massive ecosystem of cold-water corals and sponges, a pristine habitat that has existed in complete darkness, cut off from the rest of the ocean for perhaps 100,000 years. Number 2. The source of the pulse. Since late 2023, hydrophones across the Pacific began picking up a low-frequency rhythmic vibration every 47 hours. It was too regular for an earthquake, too powerful for a whale. In 2025, we found the source. It is a massive, previously unknown geological venting process near the Tonga Trench, a rhythmic release of pressurized subterranean gas that rings the ocean basin like a bell. The planet itself is breathing. And finally, number 1, the Hadal shadow. This is the discovery that has marine biologists losing sleep. During the deepest unmanned dive yet into the Philippine Trench, a static lander's camera captured something impossible. For 12 frames, a shadow eclipsed the landing zone. Based on the size of the lander, the object that passed over it was estimated at over 60 feet in length. It was soft-bodied, silent, and massive. Is it a new species of colossal squid, or something entirely different that belongs to the deepest crushing pressures? We still don't know. The ocean covers 70% of our planet, yet we know more about the surface of Mars. 2025 proved that down there in the crushing blackness, monsters, miracles, and history are waiting. Which of these discoveries shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Until the next dive, keep watching the water.